In this video, I'll be showing you how to open RAR files on Mac. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, opening up RAR files on a Mac, because it's not completely compatible, it requires a little helper tool from the Mac App Store. So all you want to do is firstly open up your App Store, and then what you want to do is search for the unarchiver. So we're going to type in unarchiver right here, and then you're going to see the unarchiver. Now all you want to do is go ahead and get it. There are going to be a few different ones you can go ahead and get too, but this is going to be the one that we're going to use. Now once it's downloaded, you got to open it, but this is just going to be for the configuration point. So under the archive formats tab, what you want to do is find RAR archive, and you just want to make sure that it is checked. Now what you want to do is locate your RAR finder, like in your finder. So mine is right here, it's test.rar. And then all I want to go ahead and do is locate it and then hover over it. And then I'm going to see open with as one of the options. Now, if I don't see the archiver here, I want to go ahead and press other like so. And then go over to my applications. And then once I'm here, all I got to do is find the unarchiver. So I'm going to open it with this. So now once I go ahead and open it, it says it needs permission. So all I want to do is click extract right here. So I'm going to extract it. And then all I want to do is I can just go ahead and ignore this, but it says test.rar extracted like so. So now all I want to do, as you can see, the test folder is right here. I can click on it and it shows the extracted version. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.